We made a tutorial for Grout Release, a product designed to temporarily protect tiles before grouting and facilitate the cleanup of cement or epoxy grout residue afterwards. To use Grout Release, start by ensuring the tiles you will be applying this product to are clean and dry. Use a paintbrush, roller, or sponge to apply a thin coat of Grout Release to the surface of the tiles. Avoid putting Grout Release into the tile joints as much as possible. After applying Grout Release, wait 30 to 60 minutes before applying grout. For this application, we waited 30 minutes before grouting. We used the Proma Pro Grout 1 pre-mixed grout in shade black for this tile. Grout Release can be applied to ceramic and porcelain tile, is easily removed with warm water, and is ideal for large tile installation projects. After grouting, use a soft, clean sponge and warm, clear water to wash grout residue off of the tiles. Grout Release prevents grout from adhering to tile surfaces after grouting, so you can easily wash off residue for a perfectly clean, streak-free finish. Looking at the results of this grouted tile, there is no residue, streaks, or haze. Avoid stubborn grout residue, streaks, and haze by using Grout Release for all your grouting projects. Click the link in the description below to shop Grout Release. Thanks for watching.